Hello everyone. Are you one of those who can hear a click sound every time you open your mouth? डॉक्टर, कट आवाज आती है मेरे मुंह से जब भी मैं सुबह उठता हूँ. सुबह मुंह ही नहीं खोल पाता हूँ. मुझे दर्द हो रहा है जो कान तक जा रहा है, काफी टाइम कान के पीछे तक जा रहा है. सिर दर्द है 1 महीने से, काफी टेस्ट करवा चुका हूँ, सोल्यूशन नहीं मिल रहा है. Are you one of those who have all these complaints that I enlisted? Probably your TMJ is at fault. It's a temporomandibular joint. Very common disorder. Treatment is very much available. Medicinal, conservative जो medicine से है. Secondary, it's in splint therapy, also called occlusal therapy. Lastly comes the surgical part. Do not be one of those who waits till the end and goes in for a surgical option. Seek our help. It's very much available. Thank you.